bleak midwinter, all creation groans for a world in darkness, frozen like a stone. A light is breaking in a stable for a throne, and He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. Child is born, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, and He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. If I were a wise man, if I were a wise man, I will travel far. If I were a shepherd, I will do my part, but poor as I am, I will give Him to my heart, and He shall reign forevermore, forevermore, and He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. Unto us a child is born, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, and He shall reign forevermore. And He within a manger, Here within a manger lies the one who made the starry skies, this baby born for sacrifice, Christ the Messiah. To our hopes and to our fears, the Savior of